Welcome. So in this episode, we'll learn how to download fonts for our project. Like you're working and you need some typeface like fonts that you use in your designs. So the first site to visit here is fonts.google.com. Okay, this site now, when you visit this site, you can put it on font icons, but I'm here to download font and you have it here. So if it's roboto you want, it's already here already, but if that's not what you want, just search for whatever you want. Like let's say okay, it's already okay, so you have it here, 18 styles or something, so click on it. Okay, you can type here a text here to have a preview of how it's going to look like. You can see light, regular, medium, semi-bold or silver. So you can type anything here to see is that thing that you see here if you type it here, but I don't have to try out anything. The way it is like this, what you do is you get font. Okay, you see one font family selected because this one is like a typeface. It has like a family. It has others within it. So you just say download all, and you see it's downloading. And once you are done, you have it like this. Okay, so that is it for that. So another site we'll be visiting is the fonts.com. Okay, so this one is also slow. One more thing about this okay, this site. One more thing about this font.google.com is that you can filter it if it is serif that you want. If you click here, all the font that will display will be only serif. If it is sans serif and if it is handwriting, monospace or whatever. So that's not what I wanted to explain. So this is the fonts.com. Now you have your font here like this. Okay, so you can also decide to go for different styles from here. Okay, but I just want to show you. So if this is what I want, I'll just click on download and it's already downloading and you have it here. Okay, so you have a font here like this. So another site that I also do make use of is this fonts.com. So after downloading the font now, how to install the font is what we learn here. So if this is the one that I want to install, right, you have it in a zip form like this. So make sure you just have a WinRAR installed in your computer. You click on extract to what copy so that it will extract to one file. You can see, and you have the file here. So if you want to install, if it is one that you want to install, just click on it, right click and you want to install for all users. But I have it installed already, so you can see. Do you want to replace it? No. If it is everything that you want to like install, maybe you have many fonts, this one, uncheck this one, you right click and install for all users, all of them. You can see do this for all, so all of them will be installed. No, but I already have them installed. So let me go for the one that I have not installed before. Let me go for the one that I think that I may not have here, like this random one that I just downloaded. Okay, let me extract it and I have it here. Let me right click and install for all users. You can see it's installing because I don't have this one already. So that is how you can install fonts on your computer for all users. And if you want to see the font that you have on your computer, you just come to your control panel. You go to your control panel and you can just search for fonts from here. You can see you have the fonts. You have where you can preview, delete, and view, install fonts, change font settings, and whatever. So you just allow it to load and it will view the fonts that you have installed. So now if you preview delete or show hide font installed in your computer, now you see all of them. Okay, so that's where you click on that preview delete or something. Now you see your font like this. Okay, you see them like this. You see the font that you have installed. So this one, you can see I have 2255. That is because I have others, but I don't install fonts anyhow. I install the ones that I use for my project mostly, even though most of these ones I still not use it, but that I just don't install anyhow. Okay, so if this is what I don't want again, I want to delete it. Okay, you can just delete it. Are you sure? You see, right? If it's the same, you can see it will affect the text that you have ever used this font for. Okay, but I don't want to delete. So that is it on how to install and delete fonts on your computer. See you in our next class.